Hello and welcome to Zook Daily News, where you can hear only excited stories. Today, August 14, and we begin. First, surprising visitor on a golf course. A wallaby, which is like a mini kangaroo from Australia, popped up on an English golf course. The golfers were shocked to see it hooping around. The club joked that the wallaby hadn't booked a tea time. What's a silly surprise today? Let's go on a wild ocean adventure with a rower who got some unexpected company on his journey. A man rowing across the Atlantic Ocean got a big surprise when hundreds of whales swam with him. The playful whales splashed around his boat, making his journey extra special. More about animals' life in this adorable story. The Rosamond Gifford Zoo in New York has two new patas monkey babies. Patas monkeys are fastest primates, but their moms need help caring for them. So, kind, hardworking zookeepers are hand-raising the babies from day number 1 to keep them safe and healthy. That's all for today. See you real soon tomorrow at Zook Daily News.